Hello everyone, in this session we'll solve a previous year question and this question is asked in GATE 2022 for General Aptitude section. The question is, if P is to Q is equal to 1 is to 2, Q is to R equal to 4 is to 3, R is to S equal to 4 is to 5 and U is 50% more than S, what is the ratio P is to U? Options are 2 by 15, 2 is to 15, 6 is to 15, 1 is to 5 and 16 is to 45. So we can write the given data one by one. That is P by Q equal to 1 by 2, Q by R equal to 4 by 3, R by S equal to 4 by 5. Now one more information is given. U is 50% more than S. That means U is equal to 1.5 times S. That is what 50% more means. From this we get U by S is equal to 1.5. 1.5 is in fraction, it is 3 by 2. Okay. Now we have to find the ratio P is to U, that is P by U. This is to be found. Now if we multiply all these terms, that is P by Q into Q by R into R by S. So we see that some of the terms get cancelled, that is Q get cancelled, R and R get cancelled, and if the P and S are remaining. To get P by U, what we'll do? We have to cancel this S term also. So we have to multiply this by S by U. So what happens? This S term also get cancelled and the remaining will be P by U. Okay. Now what is P by Q? We'll substitute the fractions one by one. P by Q is 1 by 2, Q by R is 4 by 3, R by S is 4 by 5. Now what is S by U? We already found that U by S is 3 by 2. So S by U will be 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So this is P by U. Now what is the answer? This is 16 divided by 45. So P by U equal to 16 divided by 45. Option D is the correct answer. We'll solve more questions in the next sessions. Thanks for watching.